There are currently 9 AVCS base CDs. However, it is unlikely that users will need to install all of the CDs in order to load their licensed ENCs. Reference to the Schedule A can avoid the unnecessary loading of some CDs and save the user time. Start by inserting the first AVCS base CD into the appropriate drive. Now select Chart Loader from the menu. In the Chart Loading window, select Scan Drives. The ECDIS will automatically scan for the AVCS data to be installed. The AVCS data will have been automatically detected and the ENC S63 data box ticked. If not, tick the ENC S63 data box on the screen. Please note, to only install ENC S63 data, untick the already ticked ENC S63 permit box, as well as any other permits, data, or product boxes, for instance AVCS. Or the ECDIS will scan both permits and data, resulting in unwanted error messages in the last report provided. Click OK to continue the installation. The system will display a progress bar plus related messages when installing the AVCS data. The status indicator will show the interim results of the installation if the system detected any errors. The indicator will change to yellow if any errors are detected during data import. Should any critical errors be detected, the indicator will change to red and the affected data will not be imported. All messages and actions are recorded in the report file. This can be accessed, if required, via the Last Report button. This process should be repeated until all required base CDs have been installed. The eGlobe G2 ECDIS also gives users the option of downloading their data directly from the ChartWorld FTP server. The eGlobe G2 ECDIS is delivered customized with pre-configurations, allowing users to use this FTP server. This needs to be organized directly with the ECDIS manufacturer. Once the updates are installed, these changes need to be applied to the eGlobe G2 ECDIS. Click on Apply Changes in the Synchronization box. The system will display a progress bar plus related messages when applying the changes. When the changes have been applied, a message will be displayed in the Process window to confirm the S63 installation is done. Please note, make sure that all the required AVCS base CDs have been inserted and the import operations completed before installing the latest update CD. Updates cannot be applied unless the ENC base file is present in the system database. To then view a chart, select Chart Loader from the menu. Then select Chart Inventory. Highlight and press down on the chart to be viewed. Then select Show this chart in the drop-down menu.